What if I told you that you could completely transform your physique with just 8 dumbbell exercises? That's right, no machines, no gym memberships, no endless scrolling through confusing fitness advice. If you've got a pair of dumbbells, you've got everything you need to build real strength, muscle, and confidence. So before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're serious about building a stronger, more capable version of yourself, because this is the kind of content that makes a real difference. Let's kick things off with a chest-building powerhouse, the static dumbbell press. It's more than a variation, it's a game changer. Instead of pressing both arms at once, you keep one arm locked in position while the other works, forcing your core and stabilizers to engage. It's shoulder-friendly, builds unilateral strength, and simulates real-world pushing movements, like lifting yourself off the ground or shoving open a heavy door. Now for your back, the dumbbell gorilla row delivers serious pulling strength. This bent-over movement done with alternating arms targets your lats, rear delts, and rhomboids. It's perfect for fixing posture and evening out muscular imbalances caused by too much bench pressing. With a wide stance and explosive rows, you'll build thickness in your back while protecting your lower spine. When it comes to leg day, the dumbbell reverse lunge is a must. It's joint-friendly, excellent for building single-leg strength, and mirrors natural movement patterns. Whether you're hiking trails or just climbing stairs, this exercise improves balance, coordination, and overall stability. Lean forward slightly to hit your glutes and hamstrings, or stay upright for serious quad activation. Next, add full body power with the cleanup and over. It's dynamic, athletic, and torches calories while building muscle. Clean the dumbbell to your shoulder, press overhead, and lower it to the other side. This exercise develops explosive power and coordination. Great for sports, parent life, or just moving like an athlete again. Need grip strength and total body endurance? Enter the farmer's carry. Grab 2 heavy dumbbells, stand tall, and walk with purpose. Your forearms, traps, core, and legs all fire together. It's simple yet brutally effective, and it directly translates to real life. Carrying groceries, moving boxes, or wrangling a squirmy toddler. Now for a golden age classic, the dumbbell pullover. This underrated move builds your chest, lats, and serratus, anterior in one motion. It also boosts shoulder mobility and rib cage expansion, improving posture and even breathing capacity. By adjusting your elbow position, you can emphasize different muscles. Flared out for lats, tucked in for chest. Another lower body gem, the dumbbell step up. It mimics daily activities like climbing stairs, but with far greater muscle activation. Step-ups build powerful quads and glutes while training each leg independently, helping correct strength imbalances. Use a stable box at knee height. Control each rep and watch your balance and leg strength skyrocket. Last but not least, the Russian row, not the twist, is your go-to for rotational strength. Instead of tapping side to side, you row the dumbbell across your body with intention. It strengthens your obliques, deep core, and teaches your body to control rotational forces. Key for injury prevention and athletic performance. You don't need dozens of flashy movements or fancy equipment. These 8 dumbbell exercises cover every major muscle group and support real-life strength and performance. Structure your workouts around them 3 to 4 times per week, and you'll see serious results, whether you're training at home or in the gym. Keep showing up, keep lifting, and I'll see you in the next one.